Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you're doing great. I welcome you for the first chapter of class 8 science, crop production and management. This lesson tells us about crop production, types of crops, basic practices of crop production and animal husbandry. First of all, why do we have to eat food? You already know that energy from the food is utilized by organisms for carrying out their various body functions such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So, where do animals get their food from? We depend on other organisms for our food. That is, we depend on plants for our food. Plants are called as autotrophs. They prepare their own food. What are crops? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, plants of same kind, for example rice or a wheat, are cultivated at one place on a large scale. It is called a crops. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. Types of crops based on the season. There are two major types of crops, that is kharif crops and rabi crops. What are kharif crops? The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Some of the examples of kharif crops are paddy, maize, soybean, cotton. The crops grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, and mustard. These plants grow in the winter season. Cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. Some of the basic practices of crop production are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. Before taking up your exam, you need preparation, right? Somebody helps you in the preparation. That means your parents or teachers, right? Same way, soil needs a preparation. Who will help in the preparation? Yes, you are right. Farmers. Farmers help in the preparation. There are two types of preparation of soil, that is ploughing and tilling. Ploughing is the traditional or ancient method of uh, preparing the soil. Okay, here human labor and the animals are used for the ploughing purpose, and the modern technique, that is tilling. Instead of bullocks, we use machines for the ploughing. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. You know that earthworms and microbes are called as the friends of the farmer because they help in the loosening of the soil and add humus to the soil. This turning and loosening of the soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. If the soil is so compact, then there is a less air. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called ploughing. Ploughing? What is the importance of ploughing? Ploughing helps it helps to soil to become airy. Ploughs are made of wood or iron. This is a traditional method or ancient method or old age method of ploughing. Here the ploughing is done with the help of animals. Okay, ploughs are made up of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it, it may need a watering before ploughing. The ploughed field may have big clumps of soil that are called as a crumbs. Big clumps of the soil is called as crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for the irrigation. Leveling of soil is done with the help of levelers. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break the soil clumps to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tools used for this purpose are plough, hoe and cultivator. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds. You know that what are weeds? That is unwanted plants which grow along with the crops and that are removed with the help of hoe, and it has also helps in the loosening of the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. In the first picture you can see that is hoe. A strong broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade, and it is pulled by animals. What are cultivators? Cultivators are a machine designed to stir the soil around the crops, and it just destroys weeds. And the use of cultivators that saves labor and as well as time.